Have you ever wondered why the scent of lavender soothes your nerves, or why peppermint rejuvenates your senses? Welcome to the fascinating world of aromatherapy, an ancient practice that harnesses the power of plants and their aromatic essences to promote well-being. Aromatherapy has its roots in civilizations across the globe, from the fragrant bazaars of ancient Egypt to the sacred temples of Greece, where aromatic plants were revered for their healing properties. Fast forward to the 21st century, and this time-honored practice has evolved into an integral component of holistic wellness. Holistic wellness, as the name suggests, is an approach to health that considers the whole person, body, mind, and spirit in the quest for optimal health and wellness. And aromatherapy, with its unique ability to engage the senses and soothe the mind, fits perfectly into this philosophy. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the world of aromatherapy and discover its healing effects on the mind and body. Imagine walking into a room filled with the sweet fragrance of roses. Do you feel a sense of calm washing over you? This soothing experience is a testament to the powerful connection between our sense of smell and our emotions. Our sense of smell is one of our most primal senses, directly linked to the part of our brain that processes emotions and memories. This is why certain scents can instantly transport us back to specific moments in our past, triggering vivid recollections and emotions. It's like our noses have their very own time machines. So what does this have to do with wellness? Enter aromatherapy. This ancient practice used the power of scents, specifically those from essential oils, to promote both mental and physical wellness. Aromatherapy taps into the limbic system, the emotional powerhouse of our brain, using the fragrances of essential oils to stimulate positive emotional responses. Lavender, for example, is known for its calming properties. It's often used in sleep aids and stress relief products. On the other hand, citrus scents like lemon or orange are known to uplift the mood and increase alertness. It's no coincidence that many cleaning products have a citrus scent. It's not just about making your home smell fresh, but also about invigorating your senses. But aromatherapy isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It can have long-term benefits for our mental health too. Regular use of certain aromas can help to rewire our emotional responses over time. For instance, using a specific scent while practicing relaxation techniques can condition our brain to associate that scent with a state of calm. Then, in the future, simply smelling that scent can help to ease anxiety or stress. Aromatherapy is a perfect example of how we can harness the power of our senses to improve our overall wellness. It's not a magic cure-all, but it is a valuable tool in our wellness toolkit, offering a natural, accessible way to support our mental and physical health. It's fascinating how aromas can stir our emotions, isn't it? The power of scents extends far beyond our noses, influencing our minds, bodies, and even our daily lives. Tune in next time as we delve deeper into the healing effects of essential oils. Now, what if I told you that these scents have the power to heal? Imagine walking through a lavender field, the purple blossoms swaying in the gentle breeze and filling the air with their calming aroma. Just breathing in this scent can induce a sense of tranquility, reducing stress and promoting a peaceful night's sleep. This is not mere conjecture, but the healing power of lavender essential oil, a popular choice in aromatherapy for its relaxing properties. But the healing wonders of essential oils do not stop at lavender. Picture the freshness of a peppermint leaf, its invigorating scent awakening your senses. Peppermint essential oil is known to boost energy and enhance mental clarity. It's like pressing the refresh button on your brain, making it the perfect companion for those mid-afternoon slumps or late-night study sessions. Let's journey to the warm, sunny climes where the citrus trees grow. The sweet, tangy scent of a freshly peeled orange is not just a delight for the senses. Orange essential oil, with its uplifting and mood-enhancing properties, is often used as a natural antidepressant. It's like bottling up sunshine and happiness, ready to be released with just a few drops. Now imagine the spicy, earthy scent of a rosemary sprig. Beyond its culinary uses, rosemary essential oil is renowned for its ability to improve memory and concentration. It's like a personal tutor, enhancing your cognitive performance and helping you ace that important presentation or exam. These are just a handful of examples from the vast world of essential oils, each with its unique aroma and healing properties. From boosting immunity with eucalyptus oil to promoting heart health with Ylang oil, there's an essential oil for almost every need. So, whether you need a pick-me-up or a wind down, there's a scent waiting to heal and nurture you. That's the magic of essential oils, a key component of aromatherapy. So how does aromatherapy work in practice? Well, imagine yourself in a tranquil environment, the soothing aroma of lavender, chamomile, or perhaps eucalyptus wafting through the air, your senses awakening to the healing power of nature's fragrances. This is the essence of aromatherapy, a practice that leverages the therapeutic properties of essential oils to invigorate the mind, body, and soul. There are several ways to incorporate aromatherapy into your daily routine. One of the most popular methods is diffusion. Essential oil diffusers disperse the oil into the air, creating a gentle aromatic mist. As you inhale, the molecules from these oils interact with your senses, promoting an overall sense of well-being. Another way to experience the benefits of aromatherapy is through massage. Infusing massage oils with essential oils combines the power of touch with the therapeutic properties of the oils. As the oils penetrate the skin, they work on a cellular level, promoting relaxation and healing from within. Baths can also be a wonderful way to soak in the benefits of aromatherapy. Adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your bath water can turn your ordinary bath time into a luxurious, spa-like experience. The warm water aids in the absorption of the oils, while the steam helps diffuse the aroma, creating an enveloping sensory experience. However, it's crucial to remember that essential oils are potent substances. They must be used mindfully and safely. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before direct skin application to avoid irritation. And when diffusing, ensure the room is well ventilated. Also be aware that some oils may have contraindications, so always do your research or consult a professional. Aromatherapy is a journey, an exploration of the senses, a way to connect with nature's bounty. But like any journey, it requires respect for the path and a mindful approach. So whether you're diffusing, massaging, or bathing in these aromatic wonders, remember to listen to your body, to respect its responses, and to enjoy the journey. Remember, the key to effective aromatherapy is mindful and safe usage. But how does aromatherapy contribute to holistic wellness? Let's dive into this intriguing question. Aromatherapy, while incredibly potent on its own, truly shines when it becomes part of a well-rounded wellness regime. It's like a puzzle piece that fits perfectly, enhancing the overall harmony and balance of your wellness journey. Imagine for a moment the serenity of a yoga session, the rhythm of your breath, the gentle stretch of your muscles, and the calmness of your mind. Now add a hint of lavender or sandalwood to the mix. The subtle aroma seeps into the environment, amplifying the tranquility and deepening your connection to the practice. That's the power of aromatherapy. It doesn't replace yoga, it enhances it, creating a more immersive and enriching experience. The same goes for meditation, the quiet focus, the slow breaths, the mindful presence. Introduce a waft of frankincense or bergamot, and you've got an atmosphere that encourages deeper introspection and relaxation. Aromatherapy complements meditation by establishing a soothing ambiance that guides your senses towards tranquility. And let's not forget the role of aromatherapy in a balanced diet and healthy eating. Certain essential oils like grapefruit, lemon, and peppermint are often used to support digestion and manage cravings. When diffused during meals, they can help create a mindful eating environment, making each bite a more conscious and enjoyable experience. But it goes beyond yoga, meditation, and healthy eating. Aromatherapy can be woven into your daily life, from your morning shower infused with invigorating eucalyptus to your nighttime ritual with calming chamomile. It's about fostering a consistent state of well-being, where your mind, body, and spirit are in harmony. In essence, aromatherapy is a versatile tool in the realm of holistic wellness. It's not a standalone solution, but a companion that enhances your journey towards a balanced lifestyle. It's about understanding the unique needs of your body and mind, and using aromatherapy to support those needs in a natural and nurturing way. Aromatherapy is not just about fragrant oils, it's a journey towards holistic wellness. Ready to embark on your aromatherapy journey? Imagine you're standing at the threshold of a garden, filled with the intoxicating aroma of blooming flowers, ripening fruits, and the earthy scent of fresh herbs. Just as every garden is unique, so is your aromatherapy journey. It's a personal adventure, a voyage of self-discovery, and a gateway to holistic wellness. So, how do you begin this journey? The first step is to tune into your senses. Start by exploring different essential oils. Lavender, for instance, is known for its calming effects. It's like a gentle whisper that lulls your mind into a state of tranquility. On the other hand, the zesty scent of citrus oils can be a wake-up call, invigorating your senses and brightening your mood. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to aromatherapy. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what resonates with you, what speaks to your senses, and what brings you peace and balance. So take your time, explore, and let your senses guide you. When you've found your preferred scents, it's time to incorporate them into your daily routine. You can diffuse essential oils in your living space. Add a few drops to your bath, or even apply them directly onto your skin, provided they're properly diluted with a carrier oil. But remember, aromatherapy is not just about the scents. It's about creating a ritual, a moment of mindfulness, and a sanctuary for your senses. So, whether it's the first thing in the morning or the last thing at night, find a moment to pause, breathe in the soothing aroma, and let the healing properties of the essential oils work their magic. And just like any journey, the path of aromatherapy is filled with learning and discovery. There will be scents that surprise you, blends that inspire you, and experiences that transform you. So, be open, be curious, and embrace the journey. Remember, your aromatherapy journey is unique to you. Embrace it.
Intrigued by the world of aromatherapy and holistic wellness, we've journeyed together through the captivating world of scents and their profound power to heal and rejuvenate. We've delved into the healing effects of essential oils and seen how they play a vital role in our well-being. We've discovered the practice of aromatherapy and its integration into our daily lives for holistic wellness. And we've started you on your personal aromatherapy journey, a path filled with fragrances that can transform your mind and body. Do you have a favorite essential oil or a unique aromatic experience that you'd like to share? Have you discovered a new way of integrating aromatherapy into your daily routine? We'd love to hear your stories, your tips, your journey. Share them with us in the comments below, fostering a community of wellness seekers just like you. Subscribe for more content on. Until next time, keep exploring the world of wellness.